Hello everyone, I'm Leon Thomas Lewick with your political news roundup for Monday, March 12th. The Justice Department is saying no to a Texas law that requires residents to carry photo ID in order to vote in elections. The department said the law would suppress turnout among otherwise eligible Hispanic voters, many of whom don't have driver's licenses or other photo ID. Texas officials say the law is aimed at cutting down on election fraud. They plan to challenge the Justice Department ruling in court. Mitt Romney is the clear-cut delegate leader in the Republican presidential race, but analysts say this week's primary in Alabama and Mississippi could determine whether we'll have an undecided race all the way to the GOP convention. The winner, if there is a single one on Tuesday, will be able to lay claim to the highly conservative support of the Deep South. The polls there show a virtual toss-up between Romney, Rick Santorum, and Newt Gingrich, who has already won in his southern home state of Georgia. Unemployment may be falling, but gas prices are rising, and it looks like that's hurting President Obama. A new ABC News Washington Post poll shows 50% strongly disapprove of Obama's economic performance. That's the highest negative in the poll's history. New data shows national average gasoline prices are up 12 cents a gallon in the last 2 weeks alone. 65% of those in the poll said Obama's handling of the gas price issue is unsatisfactory. With campaign season underway, gas prices were not the only troubling results for the White House. 63% gave the president negative marks on dealing with the budget deficit. The number of Democratic members of Congress who will not return next year has grown to 22. Over the weekend, Congressman Jay Inslee, who represents the Seattle area of Washington state, announced he'll resign and devote full time to running for governor. He's in his 8th term in Congress and is a candidate to succeed retiring Governor Christine Gregoire. In addition to the 22 Democrats, 16 Republicans have announced plans to not seek re-election to the House. That's your political roundup for Monday, March 12th. I'm Leon Thomas Lewick. Stay logged on to rttnews.com for more on these and other political and financial news stories throughout the day.